Hey everyone, welcome back to SkillCareer.in, your go-to place for mastering practical digital skills. If you're into affiliate marketing and still struggling to turn clicks into consistent commissions, today's video is going to open your eyes. We're diving deep into how to create a high-converting funnel using email marketing plus affiliate strategy, even if you're starting from scratch. Affiliate marketing without a funnel is like fishing without a net. You might catch something once in a while, but you're missing the real power of automation, trust, and long-term revenue. So, what exactly is a funnel, and how do you combine it with email and affiliate links to generate passive income? Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know how to build an end-to-end system that captures leads, nurtures them, and turns them into loyal buyers. Let's start with the basics. What is a funnel? A funnel is just a guided journey that takes your audience from not knowing you to trusting you enough to buy something through your affiliate link. It starts with grabbing attention, then capturing their email, and finally guiding them through valuable content that eventually leads to a sale. The beauty of a funnel is automation. Once you set it up, it works 24/7, collecting emails, delivering value, and selling for you while you sleep. Step 1. Start with a lead magnet. The first part of any successful funnel is a lead magnet, a free offer that's valuable enough for someone to give you their email address. This could be a free ebook, a checklist or cheat sheet, a mini course, a webinar, even a discount code for e-commerce. Make sure your lead magnet aligns with your affiliate product. If you're promoting a course on graphic design tools, your freebie could be a list of 10 free design tools for beginners. Once they download it, they're already primed for a related offer. Step 2. Create a landing page. Next, you need a landing page, a simple, focused page where people sign up to get your lead magnet. Use tools like Systeme.io, Free Funnel Builder, ConvertKit, MailerLite, Card, Mailchimp. This page should have a clear headline, benefits of your freebie, and a call to action to enter their name and email. Keep it clean, mobile-friendly, and fast-loading. Step 3. Email automation begins. Once someone signs up, they enter your email funnel. This is where the magic happens. Here's a basic 5-email sequence you can start with. Welcome email. Deliver the lead magnet, introduce yourself, and set expectations. Story, value email. Share your personal journey or why you recommend the affiliate product. Problem solution email. Talk about a common problem your audience faces and how the product solves it. Testimonial/proof email. Showcase studies, results, or feedback from users. Call to action. Give a final nudge to check out the affiliate product, offer a bonus, or include a limited-time deal. You can set this up using email platforms like MailerLite, ConvertKit, Systeme.io, GetResponse. Make sure every email provides value. The goal is to build trust. Nobody wants to be spammed with links. They want to feel like you're solving their problem. Step 4. Insert your affiliate links naturally. In every email, you can weave your affiliate links naturally. Don't just throw in links. Explain why it helps, how you use it, and what they'll gain. The more relatable and honest you are, the better your conversions. You can also create a bridge page, a page between your funnel and the affiliate product. This page gives more info, maybe a video or personal review, and then directs them to the product. It adds a personal touch and improves trust. Step 5. Drive traffic to your funnel. You've built the funnel. Now what? You need traffic. Use both free and paid methods. Free: YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, TikToks, blog posts, Pinterest pins. Paid: Facebook ads, Google search ads, native ads. For example, make a YouTube video reviewing the tool you're promoting. In the description, link to your landing page, not the affiliate link directly. That way you collect the email first and sell later through your funnel. Step 6. Use bonuses to boost conversions. Offering bonuses is one of the smartest strategies in affiliate marketing. Give something extra if they buy through your link, like a personal guide, a bonus tutorial templates, access to your private group strategy calls. This gives people a reason to choose you over someone else promoting the same product. Step 7. Track everything. Use tools like Bitly or ThriveTracker for link tracking, Google Analytics, your email platform's dashboard. Know your open rates, click-through rates, and which email gets the most conversions. Based on this data, improve your subject lines, email content, and call to actions. Final thoughts. Funnels plus email plus affiliate links equals a powerful combo for passive income. Here's why. You build your own list, not someone else's. You control the communication, not just rely on platforms. You automate your income with a system that runs on autopilot. The key is consistency. Even if you start small, this strategy compounds. One funnel today could bring in commissions for years, especially if paired with evergreen products or recurring commission offers. At SkillCareer.in, our mission is to help you stop chasing trends and start building systems. A proper funnel is not optional anymore. It's your business backbone. So start simple. One product, one lead magnet, one funnel, one email sequence, and just scale from there. If you found this valuable, like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment. What funnel are you working on right now? Want us to build one live in the next video? Let us know.